Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. The most awaited syllabus for the academic year 2022-23 is here. Now we will see about the syllabus for Applied Mathematics Class 12 for the session 2022-23. So here we have the syllabus for Applied Mathematics for the session 2022-23. We have 8 units. The first unit is Numbers, Quantification and Numerical Applications, and the marks allocated is 11. The second unit is Algebra, marks allocated is 10. Third unit is Calculus with an allocation of marks 15. Fourth unit, Probability Distribution, marks allocated is 10. Fifth unit is Inferential Statistics with an allocation of marks 5. Sixth unit is Index Numbers and Time-Based Data and has a weightage of 6 marks. 7th unit Financial Mathematics with a weightage of 15 marks, and 8th unit Linear Programming, weightage is 8 marks. All these add up to 80 marks. So there is one end-term exam for a maximum marks of 80 and time 3 years. The internal assessment carries 20 marks. And now we will see the various topics in each of these units. The first unit, Numbers, Quantification and Numerical Applications. The various topics are Modulo Arithmetic, Congruence Modulo, Alligation and Mixture. And then we have numerical problems on boats and streams, pipes and cisterns, races and games, and numerical inequalities. Now moving on to the second unit, Algebra. We have matrices and types of matrices, then equality of matrices, transpose of a matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, then algebra of matrices, determinants, inverse of a matrix, and solving a system of simultaneous linear equations using matrix method and the Cramer's rule. So these are the various topics in Unit 2 Algebra. Next we have the third unit, Calculus. It has got 3 major topics. The first topic is differentiation and its applications. The second topic is integration and its applications, and the third topic is differential equations and modeling. So under differentiation and its applications, we have higher order derivatives, application of derivatives, and then marginal cost and marginal revenue using derivatives. Then increasing or decreasing functions, and we have maxima and minima using first derivative test and second derivative test. Under integration and its applications, we have integration, then indefinite integrals as family of curves, definite integrals as area under the curve, and then we have application of integration where we have to find the consumer surplus and producer surplus. And next topic, major topic in the third unit is differential equations and modeling. Here the first topic is differential equation, where we have to recognize a differential equation, find the order and degree of a differential equation, and then we have formulating and solving differential equations. And finally, application of differential equations in various growth and decay models which are used in biological sciences, economics and business. So these are the various topics in Unit 3 Calculus. Now moving on to the fourth unit, Probability Distribution. Under that we have understanding the concept of random variables and probability distribution. Next we have mathematical expectation, and then we have variance. And then we have 3 types of distributions where we have to find mean, variance and standard deviation when the random variable follows binomial distribution, then Poisson distribution, and when we have normal distribution. So these are the 3 distributions which we have to study in this unit. Next we have the fifth unit, which is Inferential Statistics. First topic is population and sample, and next we have parameter and statistic and statistical inferences. And finally we have t-test. It consists of one sample t-test and 2 independent groups t-test. It is for small sample size. Next we have the sixth unit, Index Numbers and Time-Based Data. Index numbers, the topic is not there, only time-based data is there in Unit 6. Under this we have time series, and then components of time series, then time series analysis for univariate data, secular trend, and measuring and methods of measuring trend. Under this we have the 2 methods, moving average method and method of least squares. Then we have the 7th unit, Financial Mathematics. The topics included in financial mathematics are perpetuity sinking funds, then calculation of EMI, equated monthly installments, using two methods, flat rate method and reducing balance method. Next we have calculation of returns and nominal rate of return, then compound annual growth rate, and finally linear method of depreciation. So these are the topics included in the 7th unit. Now we have the last unit, linear programming. Under that we have introduction and related terminology, where we have to familiarize with the terms related to linear programming problem. It is in short form known as LPP. Then we have mathematical formulation of LPP, different types of LPP. Here we will see various types of linear programming problems like manufacturing problem, diet problem, transportation problem, and so on. And now we have solution for such problems. Here we have graphical method of solution for problems in two variables. Here we have to study two methods. One is the corner point method and the other one is the iso-cost or iso-profit method. And then we will study about feasible region and infeasible region and optimal feasible solution under 8th unit, which is linear programming. And then we have the practical, which is the use of spreadsheet. The various suggested practicals using the spreadsheet are given here, and we have the list of suggested projects for class 11 and 12. And here we have the assessment plan. The overall assessment of the course is out of 100 marks. The assessment plan consists of an external exam. So there is going to be only one external exam and internal assessment. So there is no term-wise exam for the session 2022-23. The external exam will be of 3 hours duration, which is a pen and paper test consisting of 80 marks. And the weightage for internal assessment is 20 marks, which can be done as combination of activities throughout the semester or the academic year. So the area and weightage for project work and practical work and the assessment area are given here. So for project work and record, the allocated marks is 5. Year-end presentation or viva of the project, the allocated marks is 5. Next we have performance of practical and record, which comes under practical work, is 5. And year-end test of any one practical carries 5 marks. So there is a total of 20 marks for internal assessment and 80 marks for external exam, which is going to be 1. Now we will see the deleted topics in Applied Mathematics CBSE Handbook for the session 2022-23. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, share it with your friends. So under first unit, numbers, quantification and numerical applications, the topics deleted are simple arithmetic function, partnership and scheduling. Simple arithmetic function in the CBSE handbook, if you are having it in your hand, you can make a note of it. Exercise 2 is not there. Then exercise 7 is not there. Exercise 8 is also not there under the first unit, numbers, quantification and numerical applications. And next in the second unit, algebra, row reduction method is not included for the session 2022-23. And one more topic which is deleted is Leontief input-output model. This is exercise E. It is on page number 2.49 and 2.50. So this exercise on Leontief input-output model, it is not there. Row reduction method, it is included as a part in the previous exercise. This method is also not included. The next unit, unit 6, index numbers and time-based data, the entire topic index numbers, it is removed for the session 2022-23. And finally for unit 7, financial mathematics, we do not have bonds and stocks, shares and debentures. Bonds, the exercises, exercise 7.2, and stocks, shares and debentures is exercise 7.6. The exercise is on page 711 and this exercise is on page 723. So these two topics are deleted in Unit 7 Financial Mathematics. So these are the topics which are deleted from the CBSE Handbook. If you have the CBSE Handbook, please make a note of it. I hope this video was useful for you. I have made videos on all the topics of Class 12 Applied Mathematics. I have also solved all the exercise questions from the CBSE Handbook. The links are available in the description. I wish all the best to all of you. Thank you for watching.